Surprise for all BTT holder because my friends, BTT holders force me to please make a urgent video for BTT holder to what we do in this terrible condition, sell, hold or buy. So surprise for everyone, all holders, finally I make this video. Let's start this brand video, my friends. Today we completely discuss about the crypto market, to why they fails down, what we do in this terrible condition, sell, hold or buy. So today video is going to be very special for everyone. Kindly don't skip and understand what I talk you. Before I start this video, I request you to subscribe this channel, and yeah, press the bell icon, my brother, for subscribing our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for loving, and absolutely 8,500 subscribers we complete now, and finally I hope you do it 10,000 subscribers. So just do it, man. Thank you so much. All right, so this time if you can see, my brother, the last 1 hour update, first of all I gonna show you, and after that we predicate it, and after that I share my opinion to what we do. So this time if you can see, my brother, BTT is completely falls down from last 1 hour. So very exciting moment, minus 1.73%, my friends, falls down. And this is a short fail, so don't understand, my brother, don't focus on this. Please understand what I talk you. Don't see this short fails. This time the price is 0.005345 USD dollar, and this is a big change, my friend, and the price very badly fails down, very decreasingly. So exactly the video is going to be very important. What we do, there is a chance, my friends, to upcoming time the price is will be fails down more or not. There is a chance to them moving upward. So let's see, my brother, I will tell you at this chart. So this time if you can see, my brother, the BTT change occur minus 7.09%. I think this is very short fails in the last 24 hours, because Dogecoin, Shiba coin, these two as a viral coin, my friends, this time in the crypto market, and they moving off like a rocket from last previous death. But definitely after this fail, my friend, all crypto market is dumps down. So therefore these both coins has also fails down. So BTT has definitely fails down, and this is the Chinese cryptocurrency, my friend. So therefore my friend, especially the Chinese people are invest for a short time. So therefore, my friend, Bittorrent is fails down very fastly. But there is a one option, my friend. This is good news for all of you. Yes, holder, this is very good news for all of you, and there is a more chance, my friends, to them moving upward, because at the end of month is coming soon, and especially the short-term investor very fastly starting buying at the end of month. So therefore more chances, my friends, to coming down, they moving upward. Absolutely after a fail, my friends, they take a very good jump. So exactly after this fails, they also moving upward very fastly. So you need just and only to hold it. Don't sell it. Remember, don't sell it. This is my opinion, my friend, and I just advise you, this is not a financial video. Remember, it's a brother, I told you, my brother, to kindly hold it and make a good profit at the end of month. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification.